Welcome guys back to another video. This beautiful BMW behind me, by the way, it is a 640D 3-liter diesel engine code is N57, but unfortunately it developed the death rattle, the infamous death rattle. What can cause that? Basically either rod bearings or rod knock, or also high pressure fuel pump. However, we have checked, we removed the oil filter and we could see shiny, sparkling metals in the oil filter. So unfortunately we suspect it has the rod bearing issue. That's why it is making that knocking sound. So the next step, what you will see, is to remove the engine, split it in half, inspect the rod bearings, inspect the crankshaft, inspect the main bearings, and from that we will decide what's gonna happen with this car. As you can see, today we have a BMW day in the workshop, not just Mazdas. We don't only fix Mazdas, we fix other cars as well. Depends what the customers bring to us. This one is quite well equipped. It has loads of extras, as you can see them buttons, meaning the extras. In our opinion, it is worth saving, and also the owner decided obviously to go ahead with the repairs. It has 120,000 miles on the clock.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
The bottom of the engine is split in half and the crank is removed, and let's have a look at the things. First, let's check out the rod bearings, and they are not bad at all. Quite good, having the car 120 miles on the clock. If we have a look at the main bearings, one is definitely sticking out. This one, as you can see, there is a difference in the color, and basically that's what we could see in the oil filter and also in the oil pan, as sparks or in forms of sparkling metal shaving, because that is from the bearing material itself. Let's compare the bearings with dense bearings. You will see in that video a couple weeks ago on the channel another BMW 6 Series as well. So this is from the current car and these are from dense car. And if you have a look, the ones from dense engine are in a lot worse condition. Obviously this one were caught earlier, so they are in a better condition. However, they still very close to the razor blade. And now let's have a look at the crank. Here it is in all its beauty, and this is the place where the damage has occurred. However, we can't feel any scoring marks. Obviously without the gloves, then checked it, he said he could not feel anything or any scoring marks on the surface of the crank. However, this is going to be or will be sent to the machine shop. They're going to check it for all the tolerances, clearances, and they will polish it, not grind it, and that will be it. We are not a big believers in grinding the crankshaft, only maybe here where the rod bearings are, because what we think what may happen if obviously this one has been spun or any other main bearing had spun, that means, or that could mean, it can take the engine block with it. So meaning the block is damaged. Maybe it would need a line drilling, so that's why we are not really big fan of ground crankshafts unless it is ground here. Obviously they will grind it pretty much everywhere and we need to use oversized bearings, but that's not going to be the case on this engine. So here is the result with the plastic gauge. As you can see, that pink thingy on the crankshaft, and the clearance is 0.050 millimeters. So it is within the specs. First stage is 25 Newton meters, the next one is 50 Newton meters, and after that 2 times 60 degrees.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
So we have finished the car. It is running. We drove like 200 miles, we've checked all the values, oil pressure is fine, no fault codes, so now we can return it back to the customer. But don't be worried, the next one is coming very soon. Thank you very much for watching, see you next one, take care, bye bye.